Ooh, it's Saturday. Where are we today? That guy. We're here with that guy. He's about the same size as my index finger, right there. Yeah, he brought something in today that he posted. So let's go see what that looks like. Live at AJ Hobbies. Ooh, wow. All right. We'll be downloading this video. Oh, look at that. More stuff. Who do we have here? It's an international contingent of people. We have South Africa being represented. Oi.
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 Yeah, oi, yeah, right.
Yeah, right. Wrong side of the continent.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, better?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, yeah, man. Wagwan.
What's up, man?
Yeah, there you go.
All right.
And me, I'm just me. All right. What do we have here? Ooh.
Newness.
Mr. who will remain unknown. What is this? Let's take a look. We're gonna need your fingers here. Yeah. All right. We'll let you do this if you don't mind. Oh yeah. Do like Wunderbar and lift and separate. I say Wunderbar. Wunderbar.
Biggest engine box I've seen in a while. Let's see what's inside.
Oh, these are tiny little things. Don't worry. Hey, Frank, Paul, Tom.
Ah, there she is.
Oh my God! It is. You know, OS used to mean something else. Usually, when you're nosing down from altitude, you usually say "oh sh" before it hits the ground. Oh man.
Might say OS for a different reason.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Oh look, something fell off there. It's the arm. That's okay. We can screw that back on. I think there's warranty on that. We haven't left the place. But yeah.
Here you have it. Very
No,
nice
no.
ball
Let's.
plan. And check this out. RPM sensor right here.
Yeah, that's your Hall effect sensor. We'll just make sure nothing falls out of the bag.
Shake.
We'll shake that.
Okay.
All right, look at this.
That's pretty.
And just beside David's head, okay, look, it's bigger than his head.
Sure is.
Yeah, sure is.
Yes. There's a lot of CCs in there.
It's an OS GF. There's no OO in between the G and F, just saying. OS GF40.
Very pretty.
Yeah, with a Marlboro carb.
And there you have it. Some more random stuff.
Oh, man. Look at that.
Yeah, I think we broke that.
What is that? That's not broken.
It's a thing.
It's a
What is that?
it's a bushing of some sort.
Shiny thing.
Yeah, we'll figure out what that's for. And then there should be a muffler.
Here's enough right here. It is.
Oh, there's the muffler. There's the muffler. And there's the stack, extension stack for the muffler. Yeah. Wonder what this is going to go on. This is one of those four thumper thingies that go thump, 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 thump,
Quite a
thump,
big
thump.
opening for a plug, huh?
Yeah, it's a
Why is that so?
it's a CM6, same as your
Oh, wow.
120cc plug. But of course, we will put an NGK there.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yes. Okay. This goes like this, and then the muffler
Yeah.
goes on.
Similar to this like that.
Yeah, and it'll be.
And you have a standard bolt pattern back here.
Yeah, man. It's supposed to be same bolt pattern as a 35. You know, one of those DLE 35 things. Yep. Cool. I really wonder what this is for. But, again, we will read. All right, we'll put this stuff away later. Now, what's this used for? Dun, dun, dun. Ooh. 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 Look at this. It says Giant Scale Super Chipmunk by Seagull. Yes, those are the ones that try to steal your lunch when you're sitting on the beach.
Yeah, but this one is very cheap.
Yeah.
Put this rest this in here.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Let's get the little parts out of the way.
Yeah, don't lose that little screw there. That little screw. It's witness that it's there.
Is this thing
Yeah.
Let's put,
All right.
let's put it back. Yeah. I'll get this out to the
Hey,
way.
Chris. Who else is on here? Anthony. Hey, ¿cómo está?
Slogo, is that you?
No, not that Chris.
Not my Chris?
No, that's Chris Amy. He's out from the same side of the universe as Sluggo,
Oh, but it's someone else.
but he's infinitely more talented. Did I say that out loud?
You did.
Yes. All right, so now let's
I
see.
should hold your phone while you manhandle this thing.
You wanna
I'll
you
hold
wanna
it
see me manhandle? That
Yeah.
means I gotta remove my. That means I gotta remove
There you
this
go.
stuff.
Absolutely.
Powered by Free Sky. I'm not biased
No,
whatsoever.
no, let's just get another shot of that.
See that?
There you go.
Powered by
Okay, got it.
FreeSky.
Cool. Good.
All right.
Here we go.
I'm gonna need someone at the other side of the table. His name is R. Gale.
Yeah, Mr. Gale.
What do you want to do here?
Let's do this.
Wait 1 second, I can't see.
Oh, you can't see. The only man I know that has to take off his glasses to see. It's usually the other way around.
Wait.
Okay, wait. Let
Let
me
me
just.
see it. No, we're not. Yeah, there it goes.
Let's put it this way. Right there.
Here,
Right there.
Oh, you want to keep it on the backdrop? Okay.
Oh my God! Stuff for me to mess up.
1 minute intermission.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. He can wait. He can watch us actually.
Oh, wow, that's
Pennzoil.
pretty cool.
Gum stickers. Okay. What we normally do is do the head test with those things. You know what the head test is?
Yeah. If you're gonna force fit it, somebody's gonna have a bad deal with that one, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, ah.
Love it, shot.
Look at this. Let's take that out.
Okay, that's nice.
Oh,
Let's
that's-
make a 3D.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Ah.
Beautiful.
Okay. I'm surprised.
It works.
Did
So,
it,
you
did
know
it
what?
pass? Did it pass the head test?
It passed the head test.
Okay, great.
Now the only thing we're going to change on this, and I saw it a long time ago, was the real Chipmunk's rudder was actually straight here and cut off on top. So
Okay,
it's like a semi-triangle on top. So we'll trim that a little bit
very good.
and straighten this out. So we'll lose a little area, but
Oh, it is curved.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's good. Yeah.
it's curved. So that's beautiful. Actually, it's quite nice. There's no wrinkles that I can see, but we'll change that when the weather warms up.
Yeah.
We'll have to shrink this. And look at that.
That is beautiful.
Wait,
That looks really well
yes.
constructed.
Let's
Let's
take
take
a look at this.
let's take a look at the actual meat.
Yes, the meats.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Ooh, look at that.
That is
is
really
beautiful.
that is pretty. Wow.
The covering quality is really nice.
That is insane.
The flaps really nice.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to hinge that, I believe, and same with. I think these are not pre-hinged. We have to re-glue all the hinges in.
Are the hinges not
They're there, but they're not.
they're not glued in?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can
Yeah.
move it,
Oh yeah.
and there's
for
no
sure.
hinges in here. So
Okay.
we're gonna have to put hinges there,
Okay, dokes.
which is nice. Yeah, it's okay. You know, we were spoiled by Skywing. We were very spoiled by Skywing.
That's for sure.
Oh,
Yes.
how do the hinges work on the flaps? Are they not on the underside here?
Probably. We just have to put them in.
Oh, okay.
All right. Ooh, oh, look at this.
Oh, so 2, 4, 5 by the way.
Okay. Look at that. These are absolutely sexy.
Wow.
By the way, those of you wondering, this is a Seagull. Seagull Super Chipmunk. All the way from sprawling cosmopolitan of Vietnam.
Wow. Very good.
Yes. Again, the hinges are here. I don't think they're glued in. So
Yeah,
we will
right.
inset the hinges slightly.
Yeah.
Now, unlike a 3D plane, I believe the throws on these things are 20 degrees up and down
What
Very
do you mean
good.
by inset, Joe?
because the gap is a little big.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So we will cut
Gotcha.
grooves and then inset it, or we'll put a piece of red covering to seal the to prevent, make it more effective.
Yeah. Very good.
Prevent air from going through.
Well built.
Yes.
Very, very well built.
It's fairly light.
How's this? Yeah, that's my next question.
It's full, it feels like it's fully heated too. It is.
Yes. And look at this.
Oh yeah, this is really light.
The hardware, we got,
Wow.
wow, heavy push rods.
Push rod. I
Yeah.
haven't seen one of these for a while.
That's correct, because these push rods
Oh, right. The elevator servo is
inside.
Yes.
Yes, here.
Let's take a look at
We'll
it.
wrap it up and then put it out there.
See those
Is
push
that a
rods?
wing tube?
This is the wing tube.
Just take a look at that push rod.
You know we're going to be, here's the push rod.
Yeah.
We're going to
Okay.
be getting
Yeah.
carbon fiber version of this, making it a little bit lighter.
Very good.
I might even have one.
And then
I think you do. Something- yeah, I think you do.
Yeah.
that looks like a skywing size.
What's that?
That looks like a skywing size.
No, it's not actually, but there's a lot of places we can get wing tubes now.
Oh, what is it meant for?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh man, look at how complete. We got the cuffs, we got the wheel pants here. We'll just throw that aside. And nice of them to put a 400cc fuel tank. We'll be changing the lines here to Viton, so they don't harden. It's neoprene that's there, and this is what I wanted to see.
Oh,
Ah,
yeah, the trailing
right.
link landing gear.
Wow.
Functional oleo struts.
Fantastic.
Nice.
Yeah, oleo.
Wow.
Yeah. Nice stuff.
That I
Yeah.
really like.
Here, have a look. Oh, it even comes with its own wheels, so I don't have to buy it. So it's a pretty complete kit. Nice hardware kit here with standoffs. Look at that.
Yeah, that's cool.
So we can mount the engines.
Fantastic.
It's even got an engine box.
Oh yeah. Huh.
I guess if you're gonna
Why?
use one of those battery-powered things instead of a real
Oh,
motor.
okay. Yeah.
Just saying.
Never heard of it, but yeah.
Yeah. And here's a cowl mount and support. I'm betting this
Why is
Goes
that
in of some sort.
separate?
I don't know.
to-
We'll figure it out. We'll
Yeah.
do a complete build log on these or assembly log on these on RC
Let's
Antics.
get Rob there
Yeah.
in his fascination.
Yes. Oh, why does it have? I guess here's a strange thing. It's got an engine box, so I wonder
Yeah,
what this
that's
engine box is
why I
about.
said yeah. Is that for electric?
I guess it's an extension for electric,
Possibly.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Right.
Yeah.
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 Yeah,
From
man.
35 to 40 cc, it's going to be a fairly small electric motor.
Oh. It would be the same.
Short.
Yeah, shorter. Now let's take a look. We're gonna look inside.
Ready for that?
Alright, so I'll pull the plastic.
Yeah,
Is
man.
it closed on that side?
It's closed on that
Alright,
side.
so you pull that way then.
Yeah.
And then you know, usually have conduits here, which is nice.
Yes. Look at that. And let's. Oh, there's interesting. The latches are in here, and you have to. I think. How did this come out? I know this part comes out somehow.
What do you see there, Joe?
Where the back
It is a turn thingy.
Where did the back go?
Thingy-majig.
Here. So let me unscrew this. This will have to change.
Sit forward a little bit so it sits on the.
Sure.
That's a bit
Do you
more.
want, should I move the box? Or you're good, yeah.
No, we're good. Because these are like turn thingies that hold the canopy on.
Oh.
The fuselage together. So
Oh,
this,
that must just be an access hatch to get in because if the canopy is on, you can't get to those.
that's right.
That's interesting.
We'll figure it out.
I'm curious as to what this slot is for.
But these are sliders. That slot's for the antenna. There's a.
No, this slot.
Oh.
Long slot.
Oh, that's weird. Oh yeah, this is for the sliding canopy.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Am I gonna put that? Maybe, because you can see the slide here, which matches that slide.
Oh, okay. No, that's why I need the glasses.
Uh-huh.
I didn't see anything up there. There we go.
Rob having a look.
Oh boy. Yeah. It's kind of like in the medium range. I'm in trouble.
There we go. That comes off. So all that work just to remove this. Two little things here.
Wow.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's screaming for a Skywing steel pin.
Yes, exactly. It's going to have a Skywing steel pin. And the servos go in here
Alright, let
for
me
your
come out of
elevator with a long push rod that goes to the back. So the rudder is in the center, the elevators are on each side. And the throttle is right there.
Oh, and there are the
Are there tubes?
rub tubes. Yeah, you can see the
Yeah.
see them?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. So I thought this whole thing came out, but I guess it doesn't. It's just this. So since it's only holding that piece, yeah, I think the magnetic pieces a la Skywing will be the way to do this.
This will be
Yeah.
that will be an easy retrofit for those steel blades too.
Yeah.
Okay, that's there. Yeah, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 push rods.
5.
Yeah.
Oh, rudder, 2 elevator, and a tail wheel.
Deal.
So it should be 4. 1, 2, and then the other conduits for wires. But the wires are all up here.
There's a conduit that goes all the way to the back of the fuselage, and there's a hole back here.
That's weird. In the olden days, that used to be a receiver wire thing. But I think we've gone
Oh,
beyond
that's
that.
interesting. It doesn't even go all the way. It's a little conduit from a bulkhead that's here to an exit in the fuselage.
That's
Into the fuselage. Ah, yes.
So it's all.
Look at this.
It's a manual. Oh my God.
Look at this. Oh, this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. This is cool. Actual instruction. Oh man, step-by-step instruction.
Yeah, we'll be reading that before we get started. Guaranteed.
You know, not just pictures. Nice.
Well, pictures are fine, and I think it'll
This is
fit.
nice. Very nice.
All right, so let's put this back. We don't need to wrap it. We can try to put it back. And what is
you have
what do
bubble
we have
wrap
here?
right here, Joe.
All right,
Let me
so-
just wrap it back in bubble wrap.
Okay,
Look how
let's-
pretty she is. So, and then get the wrap on them.
Yeah.
And
And then we'll put it there, and then we'll wrap it on top. There's one more thing. One more thing.
What
This
is that? What is that?
oh, look who's here.
Yes, it's Art Scholl himself.
Oh, there he is. That's pretty cool.
Has he got a buddy or is he solo? He is solo.
Effigy of Art.
Yeah, you got to get some dreadlocks on this guy.
There's two.
Oh, there are 2.
Oh, you got 2.
I think we'll just put one. We don't need 2.
2 buddies. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Nice. Very, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's actually a
Plastic.
plastic material. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So cool.
Very, very nice.
So we'll be on RC Antics putting this together. Again, you can get this from our friends at AJ. Arden Zhang. All right, folks. We'll see you again.
Oh,
Bye.
Depot, AJ Hobbies.
Okay, we're not kidding yet.
Here.
Oh, you can do that.
Instead of Dave, there. Say bye, Dave.
Bye, Dave.
Say
Bye,
bye,
guys.
Invisible Man.
Yeah, you have no name.
Okay, take care.